Okay, I'm going to try and explain 30, 60, 90 triangles another time in a different manner. So, first thing, I have put some steps together. And the first step says, what do you know? And the angle aside, and the angle and the side across. So let's say that we know that this side is 5 square roots of 3. I know 60 degrees and I know 5 square root of 3. So my pattern tells me that 30 is x, 60 is x squared root of 3, and 90 is 2x. So I'm looking at this pattern, and I'm going to take my pattern and put it equal to my side. There I am. So, step 1, what do you know? The angle and the side across from it. And then set the equal to the pattern. Set what you know equal to the pattern. So I've set what I know equal to the pattern across from my angle. Now it says solve the equation. Solve equation. Alright, so here's my x. I am going to divide by the square root of 3, and that gets rid of it. What I do to one side, I have to do to the other side, like things go away. So I'm left with x equals 5. So, now it says, substitute into other pattern pieces. So we know our 60 degree is 5 square roots of 3. What is 30? 30 is x. So 30 is 5. 90 is 2 times x. So 90 is 2 times 5, which is 10. So now let's go put them to our sides. 30 degrees, here's 30, across would be 5. Here's 90, across would be 10. So now I know all 3 sides of my triangle. Alright, let's do another one. Short side, 30. Longer side, 60. Let's say that I know that this side is 7. Okay? So I know 30 degrees, and that's x. So I know that x equals 7. Do I know what x equals? Yes. I don't have to divide, I don't have to multiply, I already know x equals 7. So now let's put it into our other puzzle pieces. We know that 30 is x and x is 7. We know that 60 is x square root of 3. So x square root of 3. 90 is 2 times x, which would be 14. So now we can go 90 is 14, 30 is 7, and across from 60 is 7 square root of 3. Alright. What if we knew short side 30, longer side 60, hypotenuse 90. Let's say that we knew that this was 42. So what side do we know? What side do we know? We know angle 90, side 42. And 90 is 2x, and that equals 42. The angle the pattern equal to the side. Now we divide by 2 to get x by itself. So now let's plug into our patterns. 30, our pattern is x. So 30 would be 21. 60 is x square root of 3. So x is 21 and the square root of 3. And 90 is 2 times x, or we know that it's across, so 90 would be 42. So in summary, find out what you know, the angle and the side across from it. Set what you know equal to the pattern. Solve the equation, and then substitute into the other pattern pieces. Just plug x in whichever one you haven't used already.